Yo, what is going on, everyone? We are tuning in today on the 650. The 650 with the missing fairing bolt. I gotta get one of those, to be honest, but yeah, putting this thing all back together was a bitch, not gonna lie, because I don't remember what went where. Today's video, y'all, it's coming up here shortly. I think a couple days, about a month since I've had the Ninja 650. So I'm just gonna give you guys my 1 month in review, how I feel about the bike, what I've done to it, if you haven't watched previous videos, and yeah, everybody, we are in the Strongsville, Ohio area today. I'm gonna be heading right up to the metro parks. Trying to make this a chill ride here though, because it seems like cops are out today. I'm going to get over. Yeah, so I'm headed to the metro parks. Gonna be a chill ride today, nothing crazy. My eyes are like dry as shit. I need eye drops, man. Oh man, the Akrapovic just sounds, oh man, dude, we love the Akrapovic out here, man. Oh shit, man, the pops on it are just mint. Coming up on about a month since I've had this bike. Hey man, it's lovely. New to the channel, I have a 2025 Ninja 650 ABS to be specific, in this like dark matte green and black color. A little bit of history of myself. I'm originally a car guy, if you want to say that. Came from modifying cars. I have a 2018 BMW 340 making just shy of or around 800 horsepower. And if you want to look into that, yeah, I got tons of videos on my channel on that. But overall, I mean, that thing's a beast. But honestly, after getting on this for the first time, even though, you know, people look at it as like, oh, it's just a 650. I mean, dude, it's something else. Just cruising right now at 3 miles an hour, just like exciting to like feel the wind on you. So I wanted to go ahead and get this thing to break in ASAP. So I mean, I rode like non-stop for the first few days, got it up to around 550-ish, and I was like, know what, screw it, I'm just gonna do the break-in a little bit earlier. I mean, hey, 50 more miles, what's gonna hurt? I'm gonna do another oil change at 1,000 miles anyway. So if you haven't seen my last few videos, I did a tune. Akrapovic exhaust, as you can hear there in the tunnel. I did a DNA high flow air filter. Just did the off-brand Rizoma mirrors. As you guys can see, they're currently folded up right now. You can't really see anything out of them anyway, so I don't see the point in having them open. Oh, alright. So this bike is in its stock format, honestly, is perfect for, like I say, like a high tier beginner bike. You know, it's not as slow as like a 400 or even a 500, but it's also not a pure super sport 600 that will get yourself in a lot of trouble if you don't know what you're doing. Oh, it's getting hot. The RTA parking lot here. I meant to put my Insta 360 on, my actual Insta 360 X3, so you guys could get a better hear my exhaust. Oh, I went in the wrong fucking way, didn't I? Yes, I did. Fuck, I forgot. I went in the wrong spot. Alright, everybody, so this is going to be a full look at my 2025 Ninja 650. Everyone, there are some small minor fairing imperfections I still gotta fix, because I you know, did the whole tune thing myself, so some of this is not fully secured again like it was like from factory. So mainly because this bolt here is missing, so when this bolt's in there, it kind of pulls us all in and stays flush like that. But yeah, everybody, like I was saying earlier, if you're looking for a like high tier beginner bike, honestly, get this bugs out of my face, I think this is going to be the one for you. Now there are of course other options out there. You can start smaller, do like a 400, even a 300, or get a Grom. I personally recommend getting a Grom because, I mean, you can't even go on the highway with it. I mean, well, you can, but won't be able to do a lot of highway speeds there. Nothing against Groms. I mean, I personally want a Grom myself to have as like a second bike, but I wouldn't have just a Grom, if that makes sense. I hear a brother, I hear a parallel twin somewhere. Yeah, everybody, I really don't have a lot of complaints on this bike, to be honest with you. I mean, it's really an all-around great beginner bike. I mean, there's nothing that this doesn't have that I wish it would have, at least in the sense of a beginner bike. Sure, everyone would be like, okay, I wish it had a quick shifter. It's classified as a sport touring bike. I mean, it's not a sport bike. It's their beginner line, one of their beginner line bikes. So, I mean, no quick shifter? Okay, cool. I think I'm gonna change the display for today. Let's go to white. We'll go to white. Yeah, no, I really don't have a lot of complaints on this bike, to be honest with you guys. I mean, even the factory tires are good. Now, mind you, maybe somebody who has been riding for a long time already might have their own opinions on it, because they've had experience with other bikes. If you guys remember or recall, or if you don't know, I'll just say it anyway. This is technically my first, real motorcycle. I had a Honda Navi before this, which when you look at that, it's like, okay, it's a Honda Navi. So I mean, I got the kind of basics of riding a bike, but didn't get the whole experience of a clutch and a shifter and all that. So this is technically like my first bike. The factory power was honestly enough to have fun with, but not enough to really get yourself in too much trouble or hurt yourself on, if that makes sense. But obviously for the full exhaust system, because it's the only downside, I will say there is one downside now I'm thinking about it with this bike, is that you cannot get a single slip-on exhaust for this bike. And the reason that is because the full exhaust from factory is welded, so it's one piece. There's no just the muffler part and then the header part. It is one piece from the factory. So I mean, sure, could you just cut it off and weld on a universal slip-on? Sure, but realistically, for the best outcome, you're gonna have to get a full exhaust system. With that deletes the cat, which means you have to then get a tune. So I was kind of forced to get a tune, even though I'm not saying I didn't want one, but I could care less for it, if that makes sense. Because on a bike like this, a tune doesn't get you that much. Because I think from the factory, this thing makes like 68-ish crank. I could be wrong, don't quote me. But after the tune from More Mafia, it made 68 to the wheel. So basically now it makes what Kawasaki claimed to make to the crank. So like about 10 horsepower gain, essentially, is what we got from that. Which, yes, to be fair, on a bike, that is a lot. That is a lot on a bike. But it's still a beginner bike. Now, do I regret my purchase? No, I do not regret my purchase whatsoever, honestly. I mean, I think this was a perfect option choice for me. I'm a bigger guy, so I knew that if I got like a 300 or 400, I wouldn't have as much fun with it. But I knew if I got a 600, like a 636, I would probably get myself in a lot of trouble. So something too that I like about this is the fact that, I mean, it is it's a 600 up cc. It's just a parallel twin, so it's not a super sport, which insurance a lot cheaper on this. Now again, can't have as much fun, but that's the reason that kept me also away from a 600 super sport. Is I was getting charged, I think, through like Progressive. Now mind you, I do have a little bit of a record with my car, as far as like some tickets and all that, but I think it was like $360 a month for full coverage. What? This $100 or so bucks. But yeah, I mean, I had to get the tune, which, to run the exhaust, which I love the Acropovic exhaust. Definitely a plus. When I also got the tail tidy, or fender delete, if you want to call it that. That's going to be from New Rage Cycles. And I like their setup because I got the tucked version, but you could still make it so it's, it's visible. So if you want to do your stupid shit, you can easily just push it up. You want to be civil like I am right now, you can bend it back down, and it honestly, I mean, you can read that. I mean, in the sense of like, if a cop was behind me, I mean, they can read that when it's like that. So it's like you get best of both worlds. Oh, but yeah, everybody, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. What time is it? Oh yeah, it's 1:03. I gotta go to work soon, so I'm gonna go ahead and head out of here. I need eye drops, dude. My freaking eyes are dry as hell. I also gotta update my clock on my my dash. I'm 1 hour behind right now. I need to change it to 12:50, or well, actually no, 1:03. I forgot that when I unplugged the battery, it saved the time from the last time it was on. overall, I mean, I love it. I have no complaints. It's a great bike, honestly. That being said, I'm going to go ahead and hop off here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about the Ninja 650, please feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. And have a great rest of your day. Deuces.